second quarter. Exhibition game, PNP versus ABC. From the Fiesta Barangay Burak, San Citizen Samar. Inbound by Capcar Charlo, makabuksit. To Captain
Live na tayo ngayon sa Facebook page ni Kuya TV.
Nice.
Please follow and like.
Ubaldo rebound to
Easy para
Gabica.
mag-shot.
To Charlo. Titira ng 2 points.
Rebound. Nakuha ni Kelvin. Long pass to number 19, Jimenez, the pick. Tabera. Correct for 2.
Minales, 2 points.
Number 3. Pass to number 5. 15 to shot.
Kapi dito
10 to shoot. May sumawit. First personal foul, jersey number 19, first team foul. Second throw. Dugan, sa kanya pa rin ang rebound. Tabera, sa kanya pa rin. Pangatlo, sulong, wala pa rin. Rebound ni Pilisin. Pilisin, number 5, susubok ulit. Wala pa rin. Talaga naman.
Grabing malas. Talaga, walang butas yung ring. Kapunis for 3. Pasok na naman.
3 points. Number 3. Pass to number 15. 15 to shoot. Behind the back. Hindi na kaintindihan.
Bad pass. Circuit, yun. Directing the ball.
There's a whistle. Kick ball violation.
Ball.
Number 12. Calio.
Foul.
May sumawit.
Yes.
Basket. Dating bandet. Kedua. Ako ang sinisin. Waray kapatid. Maraming number 19. Go number 14. Rebound. Baik dapat nanti. Alas. Pasal sinisin. Intercepted. Agawai. Dan gol di Jimenez. Numero. Kasama ng ball. Basket ka. Foul number 11. Score natin by
Score 22-5 in favor of PNP. Back to the ball game.
jersey number 19, Jimenez.
Bonus shot.
Rebound. Looking for the receiver. Pass to Bilisip. Balik sa labas, number 11, sa ilalim. Pressure to Nabarate. Orlando. 2 points.
Kapunis again for 3.
Rebound. Last na in favor of PB. Naka-play. May sumabit. Foul number 1. Illegalism hands. 2 shots. First throw. Second throw. Double. Obando. Tobera boy. Back to Obando. Tobera. Level rebound. Looking for receiver. Pass to number 14. Back to number 14. Pass for 3. Rebound by number 12. To number 19. Rebound. Lakoy. Pass to Virugoy. Virugoy. Tuloy-tuloy. Pass to Pilisin. Sa ilalim. Na-pick. Tumera. Rebound. Nakuha ni Jimenez. So number 11. Back to Jimenez. To 11. To number 23. May kasama pang foul. Shooting by shooting. 25.
25. Nostro.
The vice
Yes, pasok.
City.
Complete. A 3 points play by Sir Kelvio.
Sa palayo, ang PNP. Number 7 for 3 points. Excellent.
Play 3 points.
Second play. Number 12. Basta number 19 sa ilalim. Ilinabas. Sa number 11. 3 seconds violation. 44 seconds. To Ickley. Fires for 3. The win. 35 seconds. Number 12 to number 19. Umikot to number 11. Elbow upper. Rebound. Now on number 25. Back to number 25. Tumbando. 15 segundos. Dugan. Rebound by Kilvio. Aras. Pass to Caminares. 5 segundos.
Nice shot. Time.
And the second quarter. After the score, 28 G. 18 Calabao. With 20.